I'm Dr. Liem Trinh. I'm working in the Quinze-Vingts Hospital National Vision in Paris, France. What is exciting in ophthalmology is the new technology I use every day. I'm a real geek, so I'm very happy to use new technology in surgery. Now I'm going out to get to the Charles de Gaulle airport. Tomorrow will be an exciting day and I'm eager to discover the new Artevo 750. À demain et bonne nuit! Hello.
Hello, good morning, Dr. Trinh.
Morning.
Nice to see you again. Let me introduce you our brand new Artevo 750.
Wow, it's impressive. This completely new interface with a new screen of the Artevo. Very modern. It reminds me what I had on my computer on Forum EQ Workplace, but now I find it directly on the Callisto. It seems to me like I'm on my smartphone.
Yes.
Okay, I find the biometry. Okay, all the parameters are on the same page, so I can choose the rexes, the Z line on the same screen.
So I'm happy to start surgery for you.
My very first experience with the new Artevo 750. Wow. First of all, the image injection inside is impressive. Very bright, very precise, and small. And I just want to test if I move the eye, if the tracking follows it very, very quickly. It's impressive too.
Do you feel comfortable performing incision with a cold light, or do you want to switch to a warmer light?
I can switch to a warmer light to see the difference.
Mm-hmm.
Can you change it for me?
Yes.
Wow. With the warm temperature, the red reflex is magic. Really. I can do it on foot pedal. Yes, perfect. And also with the foot pedal of the Quatera, I can move from incision to rexis.
Exactly.
Thank you. It's fully connected.
A new level of integration.
And we have the image of the Artevo on the Quatera.
Mm-hmm.
And I see that everything is perfectly stable. Yeah, very good. Okay. So the phaco now is finished and I will put the IOL. Oh, I discover a new IOL. Very easy to push, very soft, very smooth. And for a hydrophobic, I'm impressed by the easy way to push it.
Okay, so now that we finished the surgery and you implanted our IOL, we can end the surgery and also automatically stop the recording.
And I can discover my video
Exactly.
of my surgery, okay, and I can export it.
So let me introduce you our brand new surgery optimizer, which is a cloud-based application. So for example, you can redouble check the patient information, the biometry data, and what is also very important, the faces, which is a segmentation done directly via an AI algorithm.
Okay, so these steps are automatically recognized by the AI on the application.
Exactly.
Can I try?
Yes, please.
If I want to see, for example, the irrigation aspiration. Innovation for me means novelty, means technology and all this digital integration, but at the service of the surgeon and at the service of the patient to have better results.